how it's so.
A feel of discontent, I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it in a sense, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Legendary double kill. Ally has been maniac.
Wala na. Finish na.
When I popped off, stun on you lanes, and I've been living like a rock star. Really a shame when y'all be flexing with a drop top. Got him a chain.